Today's daily video lesson is about equations of lines. Don't forget that with all daily video lessons, you can pause the video before seeing the solution. We are going to first rewrite this equation in terms of the standard form y is equal to mx plus b. This is called slope-intercept form, where m is the slope and the constant that is added is the y-intercept. We are given the equation 5x plus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. If we subtract 3 from both sides and subtract 5x from both sides, we obtain 4y is equal to minus 5x minus 3. And dividing both sides by 4 yields y is equal to minus 5/4 x minus 3/4. That is, the slope is minus 5/4, and the y-intercept is minus 3/4. We now have a graph of a line that contains the point 3, 4, and the slope is described as such. For an increase of 5 units in x, the function increases by 3 units. Don't forget that you can calculate slope by taking the rise over the run. In this case, the rise is indicated by an increase of 3 units of the function f. When that happens, there is an increase of 5 units in x. Thus, the slope is 3/5. Notice that in this multiple choice equation, we can immediately find the answer. Line L is shown in the xy plane. Line M is not shown, but we are told it is parallel to line L. Parallel lines have the same slope. We are first going to figure out what the slope of this line that is given. We can again use rise over run. Notice that we rise -2, while we run +3. Thus, we have a slope of -2 over 3. Using the power of elimination, we can identify A as the correct answer. We have another line, this time with slope 2. K is now perpendicular to line L. A line perpendicular has a negative reciprocal slope. Since we know that line L has a slope of 2, the negative reciprocal slope will be -1/2. The only equation that is given in the option choices that has a slope of -1/2 is option D. As simplifying this equation yields 12y is equal to -6x plus 36, and then y is equal to -1/2 x plus 3. Here we have another graph. We are told that its equation is ax plus by is equal to 6, where a and b are constants. We want the value of b, which is the coefficient of y. We are going to obtain the two pieces of information we need, a slope and the y-intercept. The slope can be found by doing rise over run. Notice that we rise 1, and we run 3, which means that the slope is 1/3. The y-intercept is where x is equal to 0. and that is 0 minus 2. Thus, the equation of the line is y is equal to m, which is 1/3, x, plus b. b is minus 2, so we add -2. We now rearrange this equation to look like the expression given. We can easily do this by multiplying the equation by 3, obtaining 3y is equal to x minus 6. If we add 6 to both sides and subtract 3y from both sides, we obtain 6 is equal to x minus 3y. Notice this is in the form that is desired. The coefficient of y is -3.